Hello children, how are you all? Yes, you all are very good. So again, I am here with some more small cursive alphabet. Yes, LKG children, you have learned many alphabets of small cursive. So today I am going to teach you some more alphabets of small cursive. So today we are going to learn to write small cursive U, small cursive V, small cursive I, small cursive J and small cursive Y. So all of you, please open your 4-line notebook, take out your pencil and be ready with me. Yes children, you have to see which alphabet is coming in 2 blue lines. Some alphabets we have to take it to the down red line, some we have to touch to the up red lines. So you have to be very careful while writing all these alphabets. So first we will learn to write small cursive U. Okay children? So you just see here how to write small cursive U. Okay, this is small cursive U. You are supposed to start a slant line from the second blue line and yes. So again we will write this. Make a slant line and this is small cursive U. Yes children, you write with me in your notebooks. Small cursive U. Okay. So children, you have to practice this U for one full page. Yes, you have to practice nicely. Then and then you will get the perfection in writing all these alphabets. Now we will learn to write small cursive V. This is small cursive V. You start a slant line, then a standing line and start a slant line, then a standing line and this way. Yes, this is small cursive V. V for vase and V for violin. Yes. Again, start a slant line, then a standing line and again slanting line and make this way. This is small cursive V. V for violin. Violin is an musical instrument. Yes. Now next is small cursive I. I for ice cream and I for ice candy. Children, do you like to eat ice cream and ice candy? Yes, we all like to eat. But we are not supposed to eat it in this season. This is rainy season. Yes, we are supposed to eat ice cream, ice candies and all the cold things in summer season. Yes. So you write with me small cursive I. It is very easy. Yes, you make a slant line and this way and put the dot on the alphabet. This is small cursive I. This I also we are supposed to write in only 2 blue lines. So you have to be very careful while writing all the alphabets. Yes, this is small cursive I. Now next is small cursive J. So J for jug and J for joker. Yes. So again, same as I, we will start a slanting line, then take it down, touch the down red line, go this way and put the dot here. This is small cursive J. Again children, you write with me in your notebooks. This is small cursive J. Yes. Small cursive J. Okay. Children, you have to practice all these alphabets in your notebook. Now next is small cursive Y. If you know how to write U, so it is very easy for you to write Y also. So you start a slanting line, then make U and then you go down, touch the red line. This is small cursive Y. Y for yak and Y for yo-yo. So again children, you write it in your notebooks. Small cursive Y. Okay. So children, this is small cursive U, small cursive V, small cursive I, small cursive J and small cursive Y. You are supposed to write one full page of each alphabets. Yes. So this way you practice daily in your notebook at your home and be safe, be happy. Thank you.